Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload custom fonts in Snappa. To upload custom fonts in Snappa, you will need a Snappa Pro account, as the feature is not available for free users. Log into your account, open up any design you want, and click on the text. If you do not have text, you can add it from here. Now you can see Add Font option. As you can see that it is only available for Pro users. If you are a Pro user, then you can upload the font. You can upload fonts file from your computer. The font file must be on OTF or TTF format. Select the font file from the computer and upload it. Once the font is uploaded, it will appear on your list of available fonts. If you do not see your uploaded font, you can simply click on Reload button. When creating or editing a design, click on the Text tab and you will see your uploaded font listed alongside with the other fonts. Ensure that you have a right to use the custom fonts for commercial purpose if necessary. Only upload font that are in TTF or OTF format, as other formats like WOFF and WOFF2 are not supported. By following these steps, you can easily upload and use custom fonts in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.